Hi, I'm Anupa. We all love to have a nice filling breakfast, and parathas is something that we all enjoy for breakfast. So I'm going to show you how to make dahi ka paratha. So let's get started. So now let's make the dough. So to make the dough, I have this regular gehu ka atta, which is whole wheat flour. So let's take that. Now to this whole wheat flour, let's add some hing, followed by some ajwain. Chaat masala to make it nice and chatpata. I've got some dried mint leaves here. Along with that, let's add some black salt, some roasted cumin powder, and some fresh coriander leaves. Well, all of this is good enough. And now let's add in curd. And let's make this dough ready. The dough has to be soft. Let's add some ghee to this, and after you add in the ghee, just mix it up again, incorporate the ghee into the dough. So now that the dough is ready, I'll let it rest and then we'll get to making the parathas. And here my dough has been resting for about 20 minutes, it's done. So let's make small portions and then just roll it like this, flatten it up, and you are good to go. So let's make at least a few of these portions ready before we start rolling them. And now let's start with the rolling. Some dry flour. Let's roll this. So now, after we've done this, let's take some ghee and just apply. Okay, and now on this, I'm going to dust some dry flour. Fold this. Pick it up and just stretch the dough further down. Take this onto your rolling board and twist this. And now this end, tuck it down. And here we have our peda ready to roll. So now let's roll this. Well, one thing you need to keep in mind that now when you roll it the second time, you're not supposed to use any dry flour. If you think it's sticking, you can take a little bit of ghee, apply it over the dough, and let's put this on a hot tawa. Let's apply some ghee on top. Well, I've not made very big parathas, so what we can do is we can also cook the other one on the same tawa. You need to cook this on low flame so the heat spreads evenly, and at the same time every layer of paratha opens up. And that's the goodness of a latha paratha. And this one is special because we have made the dough with just plain dahi. And the paratha is done, and let's plate it. So here's my paratha number 1 and my second paratha. So all you have to do is take your hands and 1, 2, and just look at it. Every layer has come off. And let's place the parathas onto this plate. A little bit of ghee on top, and I've got some dried mint leaves, a little bit of chaat masala, and a pinch of red chilli powder. And the parathas are done. Serve this for breakfast, and I'm sure all of you are going to love it.